FPV looks impossible at first, but it's actually much easier than you think. When I started FPV, I thought this is impossible. The footage looks insane, the stick feels confusing, and I kept crashing. I know how it feels. FPV can seem way harder than it really is. I've been there, struggling to control the drone, thinking I'd never get it right. I watched tons of tutorials, tried to copy pros, but nothing seemed to click. It was frustrating. But then I started paying attention to the real problem. Why FPV looks hard. I researched and practiced the right way and realized it's not the drone, it's the way we perceive it. Once I understood this, everything became much easier. Let me show you exactly why FPV looks hard and how you can make it feel easy too. If you have a tiny whoop or 2-3 inch drone and it feels hard to control, don't worry, you are not alone. The first thing is tuning on your transmitter. I have a tutorial, check the link in the I button above. Proper tuning makes a smaller drone much easier to control. If you bought or built 5-inch before practicing, you are on a wrong path. Start with simulator, then practice on tiny whoop. Only after that move to bigger drones. If you are still struggling, learn to tune in beta flight. Try lower rates first, slow controlled movements. Once you are comfortable, gradually increase rates day by day. Don't try to fly like a pro as a beginner. Rushing is equals to overwhelm plus crashes plus broken parts plus wasted money. Take it step by step. Focus on smooth, controlled flights first. FPV is actually easy once you follow the right path. Practice smart, tune carefully, and enjoy the process.